Here's an app called Soon Dating and Relationships, Match, Meet, and Date. So let's just open up this app. This is a new dating app. It's getting some traction on TikTok. However, it's only available in San Francisco Bay Area in United States right now. So date offline. The Soon experience is about getting intentional rather than the standard yet uninspiring greeting of "Hey, how are you?" A first message on Soon is a bespoke invitation to meet up for a low-stakes date at a spot from our list. Soon is a free members-only dating app in the Bay Area. We're keeping our community tight as we roll out, so you'll have to request access. So yeah, you can download the app on iOS. It's not yet available on Android, but then you just need to request access. If you're available outside of Bay Area in US, you will need you will need to wait until you get access. So get a glimpse, check out your match video, reply to a prompt. A short video tells you more about a person than an endless scroll of text. Make a plan and be together soon. First messages come with a proposed time to meet. It can be as soon as you want, but no later than a few days. Reflect. Then there are features. So you can select time you are free to meet throughout the week. Explore Soon's list and select go to spot. After matching, view someone's glimpse, which is like a short video. Invite a match out by selecting one of their free times and spot on Soon list. So yeah, this is just like a dating app. It tries to be different from Tinder. It's more like there is like a list of spots where you can go on a date. And then you just select those, and then and then you just go to these places. So that's basically the idea. So here you just see how it looks like. You can then just match with people. Again, it's just like a Bay Area. Then you can just select, your preferences, interest, who you're interested in, for example. And then you will see your matches. Once you match with someone new, send them an invite to meet. Then there is a journal. This is a space for you to jot down some thoughts after meeting. Then there are events. So here you can see events. Spots fill up fast. Once you apply, you will hear back the next step. So this is just like some kind of meetups, dating meetups where you can just hang out with people. And then, you can just, a group blind date, and then it's like it's not like a job interview, but it's like blind date in a group sponsored by this app in selected spots. And if you're introverted or shy, it can be easier for you to get started. So that's like a new feature compared to Tinder. Then you have settings. Here is just your profile. You can select your free time already when you want to meet. Then you just have your glimpse, your video. Then you just have your go-to spot. Then you just select which areas of Bay Area you usually go to. Then just your preferences, notifications, which you can change. And then, if you want, you can sign out or delete your account. So that's basically the idea. Again, you still need to request access to this app if you don't live in Bay Area in US. Hopefully, I will roll out soon to everywhere else. But this is like the app you can try out. It's pretty interesting idea. People looking for a lot of alternatives to Tinder and to Bumble, to some major apps. People looking for some niche apps, and they're just looking for some interesting spark or some little hack which can help out in the dating. And I don't know. So there are a lot of dating apps these days, but this one looks nice. And that's basically the idea here. So then you can just basically explore it and check it out.